Introducing the 2023 Ford Focus Titanium Style 5D 1.0T 125 M6 in sleek black. This hatchback comes fully loaded with advanced features like ambient lighting, cruise control, and lane departure warning for a comfortable and safe ride. With ABS, collision avoidance braking, and multiple airbags, your security is ensured. The stylish chrome package and roof rails add a touch of elegance. Rest easy, knowing this vehicle has received a full multi-point health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Contact us at spiritmotorgroup.ie today to learn more about this top-of-the-line Ford Focus.